I've been living with knee pain for about 6 years. I just kept putting it off, and I've had my knees scoped a couple of times, been cleaning out the arthritis, and found out that they were bone on bone. It had gotten to the point where my knee had started to pop out a place, and that was very painful. And I knew I couldn't keep up with my great-great-niece, and I keep her 3 or 4 times a week. She's very active. That was part of the reason I went to my doctor. He said, we've done all we can do, the scopes and the cleaning, and there's nothing else but surgery. I didn't want to go through the pain, the healing process, the rehab, and the not knowing is what I was afraid of, but I just went ahead and decided. I said, okay, let's do this. I had my knee replacement at TriStar Southern Hills Joint and Spine Center. That recovery time was nothing that I expected. No pain. I had no pain at all. None. That's what was so surprising. I almost want to say I was recovered the day of the surgery. The staff was wonderful. Can't say enough about them. They really took great care of me. All the nurses were great. Also the staff in the physical therapy. My doctor was awesome too. They were like, "You're doing great. Are you sure you had knee replacement?" I was like, "You know I did." It's been a life-changing experience. I am now able to do things with my family and get back to normal. Chasing after my great-great-niece, that's a great part of my life right there. It's just been an awesome experience. If I had known it was going to be this easy, I would have had it done sooner.